In this video, you'll learn how to sell Solana on the Phantom wallet. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to convert your Solol into USD seamlessly using the platform's swap feature. Begin by opening the Phantom wallet application on your device. You can find the app icon on your desktop or in your mobile applications folder. Once the application is launched, you will be presented with your wallet interface, showcasing your current holdings and transactions. Next, locate and click on the swap button within the wallet interface. This button is typically found on the main screen or in the navigation menu. After clicking swap, you will be directed to a new screen specifically designed for swapping cryptocurrencies. In the swap interface, look for the section labeled You Pay. Click on the drop-down menu in this section and select SOL, which represents your Solana holdings. This action will allow you to specify the cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Moving on to the You Receive section, click on the drop-down menu and choose USDC. This selection indicates that you want to receive USD coin in exchange for your sell. It is essential to verify that you have selected the correct cryptocurrencies to ensure a smooth transaction. After confirming your selections, enter the amount of SO you wish to sell in the designated input field. Keep in mind that the amount you enter should reflect the balance available in your wallet. If you are unsure, check your SOL balance displayed on the main screen before proceeding. Once you've entered the amount, click on the swap button to initiate the transaction. A confirmation prompt will appear displaying the details of your swap, including the amounts and the expected fees. Review this information carefully to ensure everything is correct. Finally, confirm the transaction by clicking on the confirmation button in the prompt. This action will process your swap, and you may see a loading indicator as the transaction is completed. Once the transaction is successful, you will receive a notification indicating that your SOL has been sold for USDC. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.